Hi guys, this is me Shuchishmita and welcome to my channel Bongkuri. I know I've been absent since a long time because I've been figuring out what I actually want to do, and I was working on my setup and I was thinking of buying a new phone, and I thought of starting to film again from the month of April, but it didn't happen because due to the present situation going on. But then I thought of why should I literally stop filming since a long time. I need to do it back again. So yeah, here I am today. So if you did not subscribe to my channel yet, please do it because this time I'm going to upload some amazing content and you really don't want to miss it. So in today's video, I'm going to share with you a video related to some Q&A. I recently uploaded a story on my Instagram that you can ask me any question and I'm going to reply them on my channel. So I got a lot of questions starting from spicy ones to some controversial thing. So I would love to answer those questions as well. So without any further ado, let's get started. I want to say before starting with this video that I stay in a joint family and my house is beside the road and no one is going to keep quiet in our house. Literally everywhere there is chatter chatter chatter, and I can't say them please keep quiet because I am filming videos. So please bear with that. I really don't want to make this video in this situation, but I have to today because the weather is going to be really bad now and it will start to rain anytime, so literally I have to film right now. Okay, so the first question was asked by one girl, first kiss kon AJ. I think I was in class 2 and the guy was my bench partner and he just did it to congratulate me on my cheeks. Like, I got a certificate for my handwriting and then he was like, oh Shudishmita, you got it, and then he did on my cheeks. Yeah, that was the first time. I got a very nice question here. Someone asked me, so what are you doing or rather want for the betterment of climate change and environment? Okay, to be honest, I'm not doing anything big, but I really want there should be some control in the way our population is growing day by day, because that is directly proportional to the increase of pollution. And we shouldn't use cheap materials. If you are going to shop vegetables, whoever is giving you those cheap plastic bag to pour all the vegetables and to carry, you should say them that don't give in these stuffs, instead give in paper. And that type of plastic actually hampers our environment a lot. I am not saying anything against good quality plastic. I know there are a lot of good quality plastic available in the market as well, but some people don't even give 1 rupee extra to get those good stuffs. That is the problem with us. We don't really want to spend 1 rupee extra to keep our environment clean. And then also, I don't like people who spit anywhere, who pee beside the road. I literally hate it. I hate it, to be honest. I just hate it. So the next question that someone asked me is, did you ever kiss on a public place? No. That's a big no for me, because for me, if you are someone who is openly showing your love, that's a really good thing. Because even my friends scold me for this, that why I'm so sensitive when it comes about people and what people gonna think, because I know they're going to judge anyway, but I don't really want to give them any chance. That is something my personal opinion. If you are free and chill with it, then go ahead, do that. But I can't do this anytime. I know that's my bad. But yeah. So the next question is, someone asked me, what's the first thing you're gonna do after this pandemic is over? So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm gonna
surely order a lot of makeup and dresses because
I'm lacking them, and I ordered a lot of stuffs from different website and those are in hold due to the present situation. I contacted them as well, but they said they can't ship it right now. I know it's not really suitable to ship them, but sadly I need them because I came in my home in those holy vacation just for the sake of 9 days, and I really didn't know that it will end up in this way, and it's really sad. I'm really scared about the future. And the second thing that I'm going to do after this pandemic is over is I'm gonna
chill, bro. I'm literally gonna chill this time. I miss my friends so much. I miss my close ones so much. I really want to meet them. It's been 2 months. I'm not going out of my home. I really miss them, yaar.
Okay, so the next question is 3 things that you love and hate in a person. Okay, the first thing that I love in a person is one who keeps their word. 2, who is showing importance to me. 3rd, who is trustworthy. And 3 things that I hate in a person is 1, who is a liar. 2nd, who has a dual personality. For example, he or she is being really good in front of me and he is like, you are my best friend, darling, you are like this, you are like that, and then the very next moment he or she is going to speak against you just to be good in front of that another specific person. I hate it. And lastly, I hate people who talk too much. Even I talk too much in front of my close ones, but in a way I mean it, who speak illogically just to gain attention. And you know, they have that cheeky attitude. I really hate those kind of person. Bhai, attitude dekhachis na, you are literally becoming a bachal. Okay, so the next question is, what are your plans if YouTube doesn't work out for you? Okay, I really have backups. I want to go in a higher studies and I'm in final year and I'm pursuing BCA degree. I know it's on hold. Degree pabo ki na jani na. But yeah, of course I'm keeping backups. I know this field is uncertain, and once if you get demotivated and you put your entire focus on YouTube and social media, and if suppose you are getting demotivated and you are taking a break like I did, you are gone, you're screwed. And now I'm actually facing this problem, so of course I have to keep some backup option. So the next question is, any embarrassing moment? Yeah, I have, and that is with you, the one who asked me this question, my roommate. I still remember in Kolkata, we were calling OTT and BJs in order to know that whether there is any offer or not. And I said I'm very shy, so I said her that you call the customer care and talk that whether there is any offer going on or not. And she was like, okay. When she called BJs, I still remember, they said, yeah, we are having happy hours, we have this, we have that. And then she was like, on phone, the person was on call and she was like, oh Shrudishna, that is offer, we got it. And I was like, why? Then we realized that the person was on call and we laughed so much. Those were the days, literally. So the next question is, your weirdest story with your BF and how you started with makeup.
So, I really don't have a weirdest story with him. But, weirdest story with him I really don't have. I really don't know what is a weirdest story. But,
How you started with makeup? Okay. Since my childhood, I really was a fan of using and applying nail polish. When I was of the age 4, 5, and one of my cousin has all of those variety of nail polishes, and I literally used to be like, Mami kutti di kache jabo, and I used to get so scolded for that. And yeah, I don't know, but I used to be a makeup lover since my childhood. When I was in 8 or 9 degree, you know those আমাদের যে মার মেকআপগুলো থাকে, দ্যাট রোজ, I don't know what they say, I really don't know the name. I really used to apply them on my cheeks, and my mom used to scold me so much for that. And then speaking about how did I start with this field, I really love makeup. I love doing it. I will never step out of my home without filling my eyebrows and without applying lipstick. That doesn't mean I'm not confident of my original skin. That I totally disagree with that. But the only thing why I do that is because I love doing it. I love applying lipstick, I love applying mascara, I love applying eyeshadow, and I love filling my eyebrows. This is the reason I do. I can go out without makeup, but that is something I love. That is something that gives me confidence. And that doesn't mean I'm not confident with my bare skin. That doesn't mean I don't like going out without makeup, or I will criticize someone who doesn't apply makeup. I love makeup, that is why I do. And that is why I chose this field. So the next question is, how have you thought of framing your career in the ahead future? Okay, first thing I really want to let me relax a bit. My toes are hurting. The first thing I really want to say is, I really want to make my career in this field. I really don't want to do a job in corporate sector. If I have to do that in near future, I will, but that is not something I dream of. I dream of gaining fame. I dream of gaining my career in this field. I have seen a future, a dream in this field. So of course I want to build my career in this platform. And speaking about how have you thought of framing your career in the ahead future, this is what I thought. I don't know, will I gain a lot of subscribers, followers, I will hit million, I really don't know. But whenever I film, that gives me a joy from within. That makes me happy. That doesn't make me frustrated. But if you say me to do a job of 9 to 5 in a corporate field, that will literally make me frustrated, because that is I don't want to do. Okay, so the next question is money the real source of happiness? Well, this is a really nice question. I won't say money is the not really real source of happiness, but I will say it is the source of happiness. We all need money to enjoy our life. And even I belong from a middle class family, but we all need those basic requirements in our life. And coming to the real source of happiness, according to me, real source of happiness is when I'm building my career with my close ones. If they are not beside me, I don't know on whom I should invest my happiness. It can't happen always with me. I will invest on myself. I will buy all stuff for myself. It can't happen like that each and every time. We need someone who is beside us. We need our parents. We need our close ones. We need our lovers. We need our friends who is continuously gonna hold our back, who is beside us. And that is the real source of happiness for me, when I'm building my career with all my friends, with all my close ones. And that is the real source of happiness for me. The next question is asked by one of my friend. Up to second year, our group are the best in college. Bhai, I really miss those days. Even I too miss those days. Second year was the best year of my college. I say that to everyone. Third year is but second year was the really best one. I enjoyed so much. In fact, I did not enjoy in first year that much in my when I used to be in my first year. I did not enjoy that much as I enjoyed in my second year. I really miss this, guys. Okay, so the next question is, did you face any criticism when you decided to come in this field? A lot. I mean, there are two categories of my friend. In one category they supported me in each of my decision, and there is a second category of people who mocked me each and every time. each and every time, literally each and every time. And then they used to share pictures like, why do you even call yourself a beauty blogger when you don't even have a natural eyelash? The first thing is, I used to feel really sad once upon a time, but now it doesn't even bother me, because these kind of a people who talk about natural beauty, and they are the one person who will mock a girl who is not going to shave her armpit. And literally that is funny. If natural beauty is so much important to you, then why do you even mock a girl who is like a boy? Why don't you mock a girl who doesn't wear a lipstick? And if I am choosing this as my hobby or as my profession, then why are you mocking me? Why? These people are useless in front of me. I don't even consider them as whatever. Then the last question, no, not the last, second last. How often do you go for makeup shopping? That's a nice question. Okay, I at least shop every month. I shop every month. Even my roommate is like, কোথা থেকে আনিস ভাই এত টাকা? And I was like, I save it, or I ask my parents, please do it for me. And I love makeup. Okay, so the last question is, when did you start wearing makeup, and tell the story behind the starting of this YouTube channel? Okay.
I already gave the answer of when did you start wearing makeup. I started wearing makeup since my childhood. Again, I'm saying. No, childhood means জন্মের পরেই শুরু করি। So I started applying makeup and BB cream and mascara, lipstick when I was in class 7 or 8. And speaking
Out and tell me the story behind the starting of this YouTube channel. I was discussing about career hobbies with one of my
Close ones.
and he was like, you do makeup really well. And I'm not praising about myself, he said me that. And he was like, why don't you build a YouTube channel and show everyone that what you are capable of? I know there are a lot of big beauty bloggers, and I really don't want to compete with anyone. This is something I love to do, and I'm showing you guys. I know I'm not the best, but whatever I'm doing, I do it with love, and at least I put a lot of effort in doing this. And so that is the time when I started doing YouTube channel, and I know my old videos are not good, so I'm really working on those. And yeah, that is how I started my YouTube channel and my Instagram as well. And the most difficulty that I faced is I had to start both the platform from the beginning. I had another account, that is my original account actually, which had 3k plus followers, and I don't know it got hacked or not. I just forgot the password and I logged out, and then I was unable to log in anymore, and then I have to delete it. That was a terrible experience for me. I was so sad when that account was gone. And still now I'm facing this problem that neither my Instagram is of a strong platform, neither my YouTube. I am putting my effort on both of them, and that is a really difficult part. So yeah guys, this is what for today. I will be uploading more videos, and I will try uploading 2 videos a week. And please do subscribe into my channel, because it will mean a lot to me. Please do subscribe. It won't cost you anything, but at least do. It won't cost you anything, but it will mean priceless to me. And help me grow up this channel. Share with your friends, family, and I'm gonna post more funny stuffs, more makeup related stuffs. And do comment below, how did you like this video, or you enjoyed or not, and you want to see more Q&A videos or not. I will love filming them. And yeah, this is what for today. Bye.